What chapter are you from?
May handling po.
What chapter are you from? What chapter? What gym are you from? What gym are you from? Anong gym mo? Anong gym mo?
Sa taekwondo.
Ano nga? Anong pangalan ng gym mo? Los Baños, PKD, Titan. Who is your instructor? Who is your instructor? Last name? Okay, sige.
Sabi ko, what chapter?
Chapter yung tawag doon. Los Baños, PKD, Titan.
Sabi niya kasi chapter.
Chapter.
Okay?
Chapter, alam mo ng gym eh.
Kahit ba
Or
chapter?
gym.
Okay. Both of you, what do you call this?
Ako, patay tayo. Content tayo dito.